This video right here will help you reset your PC in a jiffy. So there are two types of resetting. That's the first one is you reset your PC and then you leave your important files on it. And the second one is you clear every single file on it. So resetting PC can be important sometimes if your PC isn't running well, if you are not loving the way your PC runs, it's running slow or something like that, and you've cleared your disks and everything, and still your PC is not running the way you want it to run, I think resetting it is going to be a good option than going for a new installation of Windows. So in this video right here, I'm going to show you how you can go about this. So to reset your PC, you just need to hop on here like this and let's enter reset. So good. Reset this PC. Good. So you are here. So they are saying if your PC isn't running well, resetting might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. To complete this reset, you would need to be connected to a network to follow the instructions on your PC, something like that, simple as that. So to do this, you just need to tap on the get started here. Good. So the first one is keep my files. This means it's going to remove all the apps and settings and then keep your files on there. So let's say you have some PDFs, you have some research papers and some works on there. After resetting it, you're going to have your files, but then remove everything. You're going to remove everything. I mean your personal files, your apps and all your settings. So if you want to go with any of them, you just need to select it like this and then you are done. If you want this to, you select it and you are done. So in this case, I don't want to reset my PC, so I'm not going to tap on that. So that is it for resetting your PC. So if you are new here, kindly do what to like and then subscribe to our channel. And if you are old here too, I'll say welcome back to our channel and then thank you for visiting our channel once again. So that's it for this video once again. Peace.